Hi everyone, this is Dr. Apurva, consultant vascular and endovascular surgeon at Star Hospitals, Banjara Hills. Now let us know about deep venous thrombosis. DVT, nothing but the deep venous thrombosis, which is the blood clots forming in the veins. This may occur in the veins in the legs or in the hands. When this happens, the patient develops sudden swelling of the lower limbs, that is the legs or the hands. Any person developing this sudden swelling of the legs, usually followed by a prolonged travel or after pregnancy, or if the patient is having any clotting tendency in the which runs in the families, these are more prone for the deep venous thrombosis. Any person developing sudden swelling in the leg has to consult a vascular surgeon. In the initial evaluation, the deep venous thrombosis is confirmed by a Doppler examination, and then we offer the treatment modalities for the patients. In the current scenario, we have advanced treatment methods for these deep venous thrombosis. These clot in the deep veins can be cleared by methods like catheter directed thrombolysis or mechanical aspiration devices. These are the devices where we can remove the clots in the veins without performing a major surgery. This is just performed by a needle prick or a keyhole procedure in the vein where the clot can be removed. It is very important to deal with the deep venous thrombosis as soon as it is detected or as early as the patient develops the symptoms, as there are the chances for this clot to transfer or travel to the lungs. When this clot gets travel to the lungs, it is called condition is called pulmonary thromboembolism. This endangers the life of the patient. So it is very important to detect the deep venous thrombosis at the early stages and provide the appropriate treatment so that the patient doesn't develop the swelling of the limb in the prolonged duration or associated complications. Thank you.